1620, a group of British men, women, and children set sail from Plymouth, England, aboard the Mayflower. They traveled across the Atlantic Ocean in search of a new life. They arrived in Cape Cod Bay, November 21st. 1620, they named their colony Plymouth.
The English suffered through a long, hard winter when in March 1621 the leader from a nearby Wampanoag village visited them. His name was Master Smith. He and the English agreed to listen and help one another. Although we could the settlers how to succeed in their new home.
Fall of 1621, the English had their first successful harvest and were ready to celebrate. Master Swift and his people were invited to join them and brought food for this celebration. For 3 days, the English and Wampanoag gathered together. This celebration was not originally called Thanksgiving, but today was established by President Abraham Lincoln. Thanksgiving is a national holiday. We celebrate it on the 4th Thursday in November in memory of its joyous feast.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!